In today's video we're going to add some more leather to the 2008 Saab TurboX. If you want to know where, stick around. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel and welcome to 2020. I hope you had a great 2019. If you're new to this channel, my name is Marcus and this is Saab Cars, and here we do reviews, adding features and going to Saab meetings, and of course some diagnosing as well. I don't know if you remember, but I added some leather to the TurboX some time ago. Actually, the first part was actually a few years ago, in 2017 I think. And this last time I added leather, or a carbon leather pattern, to the door sides. This time it's something smaller, but it's leather. It's a gear shift knob for the automatic gearbox. I don't know if you know the original one. It has some gray silver plastic up here, and down here you only have black plastic. So this is dressed in a very fine leather. You have stitching here. It's of high quality, and this is from a company called Tunestyle. Tunestyle is located in Belarus. They have many different products for the Saab 9.3 and the Saab 9.5, the old generation 9.5. Let's see if something pops up with a new generation 9.5 in the future. If you go into their webpage, you can scroll through all the different products, and they have steering wheels, they have spoilers, they have diffusers, they have several cool add-ons for your Saab. And they of course have lots of interior parts, all dressed in leather. You can also get this knob in, for example, red stitching and some carbon fiber look up here instead of leather. So this is what we're going to add to the 9.3 TurboX today. So I need to stop talking and start working. So the process of removing this is quite easy. You just put it into drive, like here, and you twist the bottom plastic part clockwise, like 30 or 45 degrees. Then you push the button here and you just pull up the knob. And the mounting procedure is in reverse, of course. Before mounting the new one, you make sure that you have some grease. In my case, it's grease for battery terminals. I'm going to put that here so that the new one slides on perfect. So let's start removing this and putting the new one in. Instead of having the original one, which is mostly plastic, I now have one that is completely dressed in leather, or almost, because the button is still plastic. But that's as good as it gets for the gear shift knob. Tune Style, they made a great job. It's high quality leather and it's stitching down here as well. So the things I had to use when mounting and removing was actually a pair of gloves with some rubber on them, so I get a good grip on the plastic and so on. Also some microfiber towel and some interior cleaner once I was finished. And of course the lube I used for the shaft was battery grease, or grease for battery terminals. So that was something I had in my toolbox, so why not use it? That was today's upgrade, and it's actually 304 leather. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Take care, drive safe. I'll see you in the next one. Stay fresh, guys. Bye.